Hello and welcome to St. Mary's Preschool Virtual Open House. My name is Kara Palega and I am the preschool director, and I'm excited to share with you our preschool program here at St. Mary's. Ms. Doyle, our school principal, is committed to our mission of a Christ-centered school environment. She works alongside preschool teachers to include the preschool children in as many K-8 activities as possible. Our philosophy for St. Mary's Preschool is that we believe all children learn best through hands-on learning experiences. We support the children in all areas of their development: social and emotional, academic, physical, and spiritual. St. Mary's, as a Catholic school, has a unique opportunity to focus on all these areas, including the spiritual domain. The creative curriculum is a research-based curriculum that encompasses all areas of development, including social-emotional, large and small motor skills, cognitive development, literacy skills, math, and creative arts. The curriculum uses a long-term study approach, focusing on a broad topic such as trees, and then investigating focus questions within that topic. Zoophonics is a literacy program that incorporates movements in animals to teach letter names and sounds. Education in Virtue is a program used in the K-8 program to teach virtues of Christ. In preschool, we focus on a monthly virtue such as kindness, patience, or self-control. Diocese of Grand Rapids Early Childhood Theology Standards focus on teaching prayers and the sign of the cross, Bible stories, and God's love of all creation. Here is a sample of what our daily schedule looks like. During circle time, we have whole class instruction with stories, songs, and group games. At center time, children initiate play in intentionally planned learning centers. These learning centers include art, dramatic play, library, puzzles, and hands-on manipulatives. Teachers plan materials according to children's interests and learning objectives. During small group time, individualized instruction is focused on targeting skills with a specific group of children. For snack time, it is a relaxed social time to talk with friends and teachers. Children also work to build independence with opening and closing snack containers and caring for their belongings. Outdoor time is when we use our fenced-in playground area. Preschool children do not share recess time with older students. We offer 3 class schedules. Our 3-year-old class meets Tuesdays and Thursdays, 8:35 to 11:30. Our 4-year-old class meets Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8:35 to 11:30. And our kindergarten prep class meets Monday through Friday, 12:35 to 3:30. Our class objectives for the 3-year-old class is an introduction to school, learning to separate from family, and learning to share, take turns, and participate in a classroom. For the 4-year-old class, we are building on those independent skills, also working on academic skills for kindergarten: letters, numbers, counting, and shapes. For kindergarten prep, we have older 4-year-old students and young 5 students, focusing on kindergarten readiness. Our students in preschool also experience specials classes. We offer gym class, STEM class, which stands for science, technology, engineering, and math, and introductory Spanish lessons. The classroom environment offers learning centers planned purposely to invite play-based learning with open-ended materials: blocks, loose parts, recycled materials for art projects. Our classroom is also self-contained with a bathroom located within the classroom. Our team room is available for small group and individualized instruction. And we also have a smart board located in our classroom. Additional services that we provide is our Preschool Plus program. Preschool Plus is a multi-age preschool enrichment program to provide 5 full mornings of school. Preschool Plus and preschool teachers coordinate to plan lessons to meet the needs of children. Extension Childcare provides morning care starting at 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and afternoon childcare from 11:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Children are also available to purchase a hot lunch through the school hot lunch program. Now let's meet our teachers. I am Kara Palega, and I teach the 3-year-old class and the kindergarten prep class. Melissa Hughes teaches the 4-year-old preschool class, and Candace Kilman is our Preschool Plus teacher and the extension program coordinator. Our preschool classrooms maintain ratios below state requirements. All staff are certified in CPR and first aid and participate in continual professional development. Here is a schedule of our tuition prices along with our options for adding Preschool Plus to your child's preschool program. New this year is the Welcome Scholarship from the Diocese of Grand Rapids. This scholarship opportunity is for families who are registered in a parish of the Diocese of Grand Rapids and have never attended a Catholic school. You may receive up to $750 when enrolling a preschool or kindergarten student. Additionally, we have the SCRIPT program, which receives rebates on purchases of gift cards that can be applied to your tuition account. This program is a great way to reduce tuition costs, and family and friends can also support the tuition costs by participating in the program. St. Mary's values parent involvement. We have a PTO, and we use classroom volunteers on a regular basis. If you have questions, please contact the school office or myself, and we would be happy to answer any questions that you have about our program.